India's largest chatbot platform teams up with AWS.
The UK closes the gap on leading cloud nations.
Dropbox joins Salesforce in a strategic partnership.
Microsoft Azure expands its global reach in Europe and the Middle East.
And Alibaba Cloud is on the rise. These stories and more coming up on this week's Lifter Cloud News Roundup, Thursday, March 15th.
Welcome to another edition of the Cloud News Roundup on lifternews.com. I'm Shaylee Webb.
And I'm Corey Bowling. We have a lot of international news to cover, so let's dive right in.
Haptik, India's leading chatbot platform, has struck a deal with AWS to enable it to take advantage of AWS's AI and Polly text-to-speech services to create a more natural, conversation-driven experience for its users. For AWS, it means having a well-known partner in the rapidly expanding Indian market. Haptik originally sought out Amazon because of AWS's deep investment in the area of artificial intelligence.
Haptik's chatbot platform connects users with multiple third-party services through its conversational chat and by introducing more artificial intelligence to the platform. It hopes to create a more dynamic and natural experience for its users. The text-to-speech capabilities of Amazon Polly are also being examined for possible integration with chatbot platform.
There is no word yet on exactly how or when these new capabilities will be introduced to Haptik's service. We'll keep an eye on this story as it develops.
A recent scorecard released by the Software Alliance has listed the United Kingdom as one of the top 4 IT economies in the world. In a 2016 scoring, the UK was ranked 9th. Some of the reason for the UK's advancement include a new legislation surrounding the privacy and broadband availability. Strong intellectual property and security standards are 2 areas that the United Kingdom ranked as a leading nation. Other countries in the top 4 include Germany, Japan, and the United States.
Salesforce, one of the companies that invested in Dropbox in 2014, has announced a new partnership with the cloud storage provider that will allow it to integrate Dropbox's services into its Commerce Cloud and Marketing Cloud products. Native support for Salesforce Quip documents will be added to Dropbox. These changes are expected to roll out starting in the second half of 2018.
We'll keep an eye on that as it develops.
That's right.
Microsoft Azure is expanding its global data center network to include 2 new locations in Switzerland and an additional 2 in the United Arab Emirates. These data centers are in addition to 2 new French centers located in Paris and Marseille that went online this week. These new announcements are part of an ongoing effort by Microsoft to build out its international market.
In addition to the new data centers, Microsoft has released its IT-Grundschutz Compliance Workbook to guide organizations in receiving IT-Grundschutz certification ahead of 2 additional data center openings planned in Germany later this year.
Chinese cloud giant Alibaba Cloud may have launched in 2009, but after a $1 billion investment in 2015, it has made great strides to become one of the world's leading public cloud service providers.
Alibaba Cloud offers a basic set of core cloud services, and it makes these products available through either a monthly subscription fee or the more popular pay-as-you-go option. A recent cost analysis from Cloudberry Lab revealed that this flexible pricing model and basic feature set gives Alibaba a slight edge over other leading cloud providers in terms of costs.
Sounds like a solid plan.
That's right, that's why they're growing.
Alibaba Cloud has continued to focus its efforts on innovation. Just recently, it made its new quantum computing platform generally available. This 11-qubit system enables cloud users to test quantum codes and access the results. Alibaba Cloud, in a partnership with the Chinese Academy of Sciences, was the first to launch quantum computing laboratory in Asia and created what it says is the first photon quantum computer in the world.
We plan to keep a close eye on Alibaba Cloud as it continues to grow and expand its services around the world. Stay tuned to Lifter News for more information about Alibaba Cloud and its place in the global cloud market in the coming weeks.
And that's it for this week's Cloud Roundup on lifternews.com. Are you looking to migrate to cloud? Check out our cloud index and cloud data by provider at lifternews.com. We'll see you next time.